So hello guys, welcome back to Coding Phoenix once again, and in today's video we're going to be doing the project called guest list. So in guest list I need to show you the demo. So basically you for example you're like making a party, alright? So in the party you invited some guests but you want to be sure, so you like check. So for example I wrote some names: Max, S Summit, Timon, Matthew. Alright, we submitted these three names. Then if we click on the guest list, it will show us, and we click on sorted list, it will show us by the alphabetical order. Then if we search name, for example Max, we click on search, we see the name from this one, and we will click on like Mayday, we will see the name is found 0 times, so they're not in the guest list. Alright, so this is how it is supposed to work. So yeah, let's do this. Non-JSON, okay. So let's start with the index.html. So we open the HTML and then we open the head. Inside the head there is a title which is called as guest list, and then we're gonna do the link relate to style sheet. Type is text CSS, href is style.css, script source is main.js. Alright, then we close the head, then we open up the body, and inside the body there is center. Now we add a heading. The style is margin top 20 pixel and margin bottom is 20 pixel, and this heading is the guest list. Which is the guest list? Now this is the heading. Alright, then we create a division called a rows. Okay, input type is text, placeholder enter name, id equals to name 1. So we have given an id called name 1, and we can see this placeholder which is enter name. So yes, this is a division, this whole thing is a division. So the division, there is a there is an input type. Okay, then we have to add a button next to it. So button on click submit, id we are given the id as submit button, and it is given as submit. So submit. Okay, then we give a hr. Okay, then we create another div id. Okay, another division time, in which display name, in which we're going to display the name, and then we're going to close the division, and hr alright, so then we create another division id to show 1, and then we give a heading id which is hd1 guest list. Now this is here. Alright, so this whole thing is another division. Then we give a paragraph id equals to p1. Alright, this is another id. Then we click another button, on click sorting, id equals to sort button, sorted list. So here, okay, where is it go? Yeah, see, once we click on show, the sorted list will show. Then we click another division tag, which is called sorted, and then we close it. Now input type is text, placeholder is search name, id is s1. Now we search the name, so this is another thingy like this one, and next to it is another button in which it is a search. Alright, now let's start with the main.js. So then we create a variable which is called names of people. Like it is an array, guys, in which like we can like add as much names of people as we can. Alright, okay, then is the function submit. So function submit is the submit button in which we like are going to submit the names. Alright, so for this we're going to create a variable called guest name. Alright, that is the variable name of the variable. So the variable guest name is, it comes from the document.getElementById, which is name1, which we are given as a variable, or id, sorry, id, we're given it as an id. Then we use the push function, in which we are going to like push the guest name, and by this I mean we're like going to store it in the what is the console. So that is why it is used for push up, right guys? Then we're going to console the guest name, the names of the guest, and then the names of the people. Then we're going to create a variable, sorry, variable length of name equals to name of people length. Okay, never mind. I just keep it as that. Who cares? Okay, names of people length. Then console.log length of name. Document.getElement by id display name, in which we are going to display the names of the people. Alright guys. Then is the function show. So basically in this function we are going to show the name of the people, which is like the names that we have added, right? Okay. Then we are creating a variable I equals to names of people, which is joined by a break tag. Then we are going to console the names of the people. Then document.getElement by id paragraph. I am p1. This is like the id of the paragraph. We are going to convert it to string. Then the sort button, we keep it as a block. Dot style dot display equals to block. Now we're doing the sorting function. So names of people. Alright. So we're going to sort the names of the people. So dot sort. So variable I equals to name of people dot join console dot names of people document dot getElement by id sorted inner HTML I to string. Alright. Then function searching, in which we're going to search the name. So variable s equals to document dot getElement by id s1. This is another id. Then variable found is 0 and variable j. For j equals to 0, so we are creating a j. Okay. So it is saying if the number j is like 0, like number of names of people are 0, let me like write it as that. So if it is like more than j, then it is equal to found plus 1. Alright. Okay, and that is the number of times it will show. So then document.getElement by id p2. This is another id. Dot inner HTML equals to name found dot timeS. Then console log found name dot found timeS. Alright guys. Now we're done with the main.js. Now we're going to move to the style.css. Alright. So first we do it for the submit button. So as you guys will see that we have kept the background like full white, so that we can see the names of the people. If you keep it some other background, it will be like difficult for us to see the names. Alright. So hashtag submit button, margin top 20 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel. Then we're going to do the hashtag sort button. So display none, margin top 20 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel. Then input is margin 10 pixel and dot display name with commas. Okay. So we're going to display the name with commas, and now we're going to edit it. So for this the border is 1 pixel, which is solid green. The padding is 10 pixel. We have given us, and background color we have given us green yellow. So you guys will be wondering where is green yellow. So I said hi. What the hell? I think there is some error. Okay, never mind. So border radius is 10 pixel and width is 50%. Alright. Then display name without commas. Border is 1 pixel solid red, padding 10 pixel, background color light coral, border radius 10 pixel, width 50%. Alright. So I guess these are these lines. I think so. Maybe. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys understood the video and like understood the purpose of it. So yeah, see you in the next video guys. Peace out.